Hello traders, in this video I'm going to be talking about how to use market internals for timing your trades. Okay, so market internals refer to indicators that measure the strength or breadth of market activity, right? The first step is to understand market internals. Examples of market internals include advanced decline line, volume indicators, market breadth indicators. Okay, let's check if we can get the advanced decline line, just for context, right? Okay, let's also add some volumes. Okay, so basically advanced decline line, volume indicators, market break indicators. These are tools that help measure the overall strength behind price movements. All right. Okay. Now the second step is to confirm market trends. All right, market internals can help traders confirm whether a trend has strong participation. For example, strong breadth may support an ongoing trend. And then thirdly, you need to identify potential reversals, right? Divergences between price and market internals may sometimes indicate weakening momentum. And then finally, it's important to combine with technical analysis. Market internals are usually used alongside chart analysis and indicators. All right. So a quick recap for you: to use market internals, you need to monitor market breadth indicators, confirm trend strength, watch for divergences, and combine with technical analysis. All right. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.